This is so common. We see this every day. Well, not every day, but we see it all the time in the showroom. So at least I would say once a week and a couple times a month, we're talking to a customer about buying a new vehicle and they don't mention that they have a trade. And they have one, but they don't mention it. And they agree to buy the new vehicle. And then later in conversation, it might come up. Would you at all be interested in this vehicle? Of course we're interested. If you have a vehicle and it runs, we're interested in buying it. If you have a vehicle and it doesn't run, we're probably not interested in buying it, but we can absolutely help you maximize the value of the sale of it. And we're happy to do that because you're a customer and we want to take good care of you. But there is this sort of myth or thought out there that dealerships only want to deal with these mint potential used car trade-ins, and it's simply not true. We're interested in all trade-ins. In particular, with a high mileage vehicle, dealerships can really help a customer out when you're buying a new or used vehicle, because if you think you have to sell that vehicle privately, you're going to run into the issue that it needs a safety certificate. And safety certificates can be quite an investment in terms of getting the vehicle up to a reconditioned standard that the province of Ontario is satisfied with for safety on the road. But if you sell it to a dealership, we have a whole network of options of where we can place your vehicle. So of course we still have to take into account that at some point, if it's staying in the province of Ontario, it will need a safety. But that being said, we have a network of wholesalers. We can send your vehicle to the auction, and we can also send your vehicle, unfortunately, to an auto wrecker. But it's an option, and it maximizes the value of your vehicle. And that's our job, is to maximize the value of your vehicle regardless of the kilometers. We used to have a parameter for our dealership of what we would sell on our lot. That's changed over time, and it will probably change again. So there really is no definition of a high mileage vehicle. If you're watching this video and you're thinking about a new or used vehicle and you have a current vehicle and it's before 100,000 kilometers, I think a sweet spot in terms of trading it in is before it goes over 100,000. That's not a high mileage vehicle though. That's just a sweet spot in terms of trading in a vehicle, but it's certainly not a high mileage vehicle. There is a home for vehicles that have more than 200,000 kilometers, more than 300,000 kilometers. We sell Hondas here, so more than 400,000 kilometers. They're still going. If you have a high mileage vehicle and you're buying a new or used vehicle, talk to your dealer about it. Tell us about your vehicle. Get the tax savings on the trade on the new vehicle or the used vehicle that you're buying, and let us help you maximize the value of the vehicle. That's what we're good at, and we want to help.